Yeah, hi Tim, it's Mark at FMAV. Okay, just to let you know that I've done your part for you. Okay, yeah, basically, obviously it's an Overture part. The laser that you put in there before, I don't know what one you put in there, but these are 12.4 lasers. So I've put a brand new one in there for you, and it's working as it should be. So I'll play that up for you. This is a really scratched CD, by the way. Let me just turn it up. So you can hear it playing away there as it should be. Yeah, in all honesty, I'll just turn it down. In all honesty, the part's in reasonable good condition because it hasn't had a heavy use. So you know it weren't that bad. But what I did find there was a lot of grease on there. Didn't you don't need that much grease on one of these things to work. But it was covered, so yeah, I just removed that. Checked the micro switch, and it's fine. It's I've had it running here in the office now for hours, and while I've been working away, and I can't find any errors with it anymore. So we're all good to go there. So I'll get that back in the post for you today. You got a 6-month warranty on that part. So if anything goes wrong in the next 6 months, you can just send that straight back down to me, and I'll get it sorted out for you. I don't expect any issues, so in all honesty, this part should last you at least another 10 years anyway. So yeah, thanks very much, Tim. Really grateful. And if you need any other bits doing B&O wise, that's pretty much what we really do. B&O stuff, repairs and stuff. So yeah, just give us a shout. Cheers, buddy.